Hello students, welcome to geography class. So now we have completed 2 chapters and now we move to map work. You all should have a map book at home. If you all don't have, you all can print a political map of India, the latest one, or you all can buy. Okay, but we need to learn the map. So today we will start with the map work. Now these are the rules. One, you will use black ballpoint pen to label the places. All labels will be in block capitals only. I repeat, you will use a black ballpoint pen to label the places, and all labels will be in block capitals only. Number two, you will use symbols and a color key to indicate the marking. I repeat, you will use symbols and color keys to indicate the marking. All labels must be made with a wise use of arrows, and writing should always be horizontal. Don't write vertical or diagonal. Make sure whenever you write, you are writing it horizontally only. Always keep the atlas open while marking a place. You will keep the atlas open while you are marking a place. And you will use color pencils aesthetically to color code the location. You're going to use color pencils to color code the location. The video that I am sharing may use some other forms, but you will not. You will only use color pencil. Don't use any other colored pen. Use only a black ballpoint pen to label all the places. Write in capital letters, write horizontally, and use arrows to indicate the place. Keep the atlas open so that you can refer to the place correctly. Okay? Now, these are the map list for this particular video. We are going to do Indian states with capitals. This is for your chapter 1. Tropic of Cancer and the standard meridian. I repeat, you will do all the Indian states with their capitals, Tropic of Cancer, and the standard meridian. Over here, I have listed out all the states for you with their capitals. I have also put up the Hindi version just to make sure you all know the pronunciations and you all know the names correctly. We have 28 states and 9 union territories now. Okay, so Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itnagar, Assam is Dispur, Bihar is Patna, Goa is Panaji, Gujarat is Gandhinagar, Haryana is Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh is Shimla, Karnataka is Bangalore, Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh will be Bhopal, Maharashtra will be Mumbai, and Manipur will be Imphal. Meghalaya will be Shillong, Mizoram is Aizawl, Nagaland is Kohima, Odisha is Bhubaneswar, Punjab is Chandigarh, Rajasthan is Jaipur, Sikkim is Gangtok, Tamil Nadu is Chennai, Tripura will be Agartala, Uttar Pradesh's capital is Lucknow, West Bengal's Kolkata, Chhattisgarh's Raipur, Uttarakhand's Dehradun, Jharkhand, Ranchi, and Telangana will be Hyderabad. If you notice, Punjab as well as Haryana have the same capital, Chandigarh. Okay, so although there are 28 states, there are only 27 capitals. Okay, here I have an empty map on the right hand side, and on the left we have a map with the names and its capitals. Like you can see, they have been able to manage to write it right in the middle. If you can't write in the middle, that's absolutely fine. You can write around it. Okay, but you are going to mark all the states and their capital. Okay, moving on. Here in this you can see all of them are outside. All the namings and labelings are outside. This is also fine by me. The other is also fine. You can select any of these. And like you can see in this, all the writing is in capital letters only. Okay. So you're going to do this keeping your atlas open. Take your map and use a black ballpoint pen to write in capital letters only. Next, you will mark the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degrees north. So in your map, you take another map for this. In your map, you're going to mark 23.5 degrees on both the sides of the map. Okay, you will have the markings on your map. So both the sides you will see 23.5 degrees north, and then you are going to join those two lines. Now remember, this line is not going to be a straight line because latitudes as well as longitudes are not straight. Okay, Tropic of Cancer will not be an absolute straight line. And the prime meridian of India will be meeting the poles, the North Pole as well as the South Pole. It's not going to be a straight line over there also. In the Tropic of Cancer, because you already know which states it passes through, you will make sure we pass through those states. Yes, so you're going to mark Tropic of Cancer on your map. The next is 82 degrees 30 minutes east. This is the standard meridian of India or the prime meridian of India. What is the significance of this? It's where the standard time of India is taken as. Okay, so you're going to draw this line also in the dotted form. You will do this also with a black ballpoint pen. Whatever markings you do will again be with a black ballpoint pen in capital writing only. Okay. This is another map list. You are going to do this also. You're going to mark the mountain ranges, the Karakoram, Zaskar, Shivalik, Aravali Range, Vindhyas, Satpuras, the Western Ghats, and the Eastern Ghats. You're going to mark this on a map also, the third map. So how many maps? This is the third map. First is the political map in which you're marking the states and their capitals. Second is a map in which you're doing Tropic of Cancer and Standard Meridian. This is the third map in which you're going to mark only the mountain ranges. All these are important because they can be asked in exam. Over here, I have this is a video that will help you mark the mountain ranges on your map. In this video, they are using a crayon, but you will not use a crayon. You will use your pencil, color pencil, and black ballpoint pen only. And remember to write in capital letters only. I'm going to put this link in the description box so that you can go on that video and see it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you this video and I'm also going to share the link in the description box for you to go and see it later on at your own convenience. Let's watch the video. Yes? See, he's coloring the legend. You color it with a color pencil only. Write with a black ballpoint pen, but you will write in capitals only. Which is this? I think I should do a quiz one day with this. Yeah, where you all have to guess. These are Aravali. The first one was Karakoram. You all have to know this, huh? Which two are these? What are these? Chalo, these so you have to know. Western Ghat and Eastern Ghats. Okay, now he's labeling it. You will label with only capitals, huh? No writing. Only capitals. And yes, make it very neat. Very neat arrow was drawn. You should do the same. Next is the Zaskar range. Don't look at the video and do, otherwise you will get carried forward in the writing. Mark the video, but writing you do on your own. Please write in capital letters only. This is the Vindhyas and the Satpura. Then you have the Western Ghats and the Eastern. Don't write like this. This is not allowed. Yes, you will write in horizontal form only. Yes, you can twist the entire map and write in the horizontal form on it, but it has to be in the horizontal. You can't write vertical form like this. Okay. Okay. So with this, we come to an end. I'm going to uh, put this URL in the description box for you to go and have a look and watch this video while you are doing the mountain ranges, keeping your atlas open next to you. Okay. With this, we end today's class. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and keep learning.